Hey YouTubers, hey, I want to do a quick video to show you guys if you're stuck lifting these Hardie panels by yourself. These big old 4x10s are super heavy. I just want to give a little tip. I rigged up a little winch up there and I put an extension on the controller and I can just raise this thing with a controller here. If you're by yourself, you know, if you had help, but you no longer have help, and you got to secure it up on your roof over your eave, and you can just lift that thing up into place like that. I got a C-clamp there, and I put some plywood there to make sure it doesn't break off, and started lifting these panels by myself. So if you find yourself stuck doing stuff like this by yourself, you might want to give this a try. Yeah, it's pretty slick. So, hope that helps you. Have a great day.